shosho mfethu ngilo sesibona nayishashazo mfethu angifuna ukuthi nizwe laphana uphakela umthakathi esho laphana ukuthi lento yama-borders iplan isikhona yonke ukuthi kuzokwenzala kanjani ukuthi bathi nje kuhulumeni into esidinga kuwena ukuthi wena u-enforce imithetho ukuthi umthetho othi abantu ngempela umuntu ongayiwona owalana akahambe then bona nokabe uhulumeni awunayo imali thina so yakhe iplan futhi sinayipana ngifuna ukuthi nizweleke le plan yakhe laphana uphakela umthakathi ukuthi uthini. What is the plan? Ngempela uma ukuthi uhulumeni asinayo budget yowakhona uthi khuleka we got it all covered.
Please deal with them now before the community take the law into their hands and then you arrest the community that is trying to help the government. We are not calling for any leader to come down. We are saying, please, we are South Africans, prioritize us. That's all we are saying. So we want the police, we love you police, you are our brothers. Besides being police, you are community members, you are men, you are fathers, you are husbands, you are community members and like us. All we are saying, let us, whoever was doing the wrong thing, they were stealing, they were just doing it because there was nothing, there was no law, there was nothing. Now we are saying, we are here as community of South Africa. We will not call for you to come down. We are saying sort out your police station, sort out your police. We are not saying Ramaphosa must leave the position. We are saying he must enforce the laws in the border. He must enforce the laws in the harbor, in the customs, in home affairs, and everywhere. And if the government is short of money, we as South Africans, all the South Africans can come with one block, one bag of cement. And these men are artisans, they are leaders, they are bricklayers, they are surveyors, they are engineers, building engineers and building inspectors. We will volunteer as South Africans. One block, one cement, we go to the border and we help build that line. So please help us. Zulu.